Disregard your knowledge of RVs. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution on wheels. Here, a Ferrari's aggressive DNA coexists with the opulence of a five-star hotel. The outside is a marvel of aggressive aerodynamics, with a Y-motif, sharp lines, and a carbon fiber body. Because of its shape, its hybrid V12 engine, which produces over 1,000 horsepower, helps it cut through the air. It's not only a spectacle. This RV with a hypercar's heart demonstrates that speed and luxury can coexist with its amazing acceleration and quick torque. Once inside, the driver's cockpit is a symphony of performance and technology. The dashboard is a single, curved panel of carbon fiber and Alcantara that is solely focused on the driver. Your command center is a massive, curved OLED screen in the center that displays everything from speed and directions to a 360-degree video image of your surroundings. Physical buttons have essentially been replaced with haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that can respond to all of your orders. This is not just a dash. It's the control panel of a future spaceship. The living space is where the true elegance is displayed. It features an open, spacious layout, clean lines, and a straightforward design. The expertly sewn modular seats, which can be rearranged to create a formal dining room or a cozy lounge space, are adorned with Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery. With a single touch, the smart glass technology on the panoramic roof can instantly shift from transparent to opaque, giving you privacy or a stunning view of the night sky. The whole interior, including the temperature and sound system, is controlled by a single tablet. Your sanctuary is a king-sized bed that appears to hover, poised in space. The walls are made of ambient LED light strips that may change color to suit your mood and soft Alcantara. It's a tranquil sanctuary with a built-in entertainment system, separate storage areas, and window blinds that adjust their position automatically in reaction to the sun's rays. Here, isolated from the outside world, you may unwind and revitalize yourself. The spa-inspired bathroom is a sanctuary. The walls are composed of composite materials that resemble marble, and the shower enclosure is smooth and clear, giving the appearance of endless grandeur. The modern sink is a simple work of beauty, and the smart mirror has an integrated display that shows the news and the weather. Because of the adjustable lighting and ideal water pressure, you can always rely on a refreshing experience wherever you go. A camper's kitchen does not look like this. The space is a culinary marvel with its completely integrated equipment suite and motorized pop-out countertop. A concealed induction cooktop, a tiny convection oven, and an integrated espresso machine are skillfully concealed by simple panels. The primary tablet that controls the entire kitchen and the smart refrigerator that stores everything you need make cooking simple and futuristic.